Hi guys, welcome to our channel. To aid weight loss, you need to drink this quick fennel seeds and lime water tea. Infusing fennel seeds in hot water or by steeping them overnight in cool water is generally said to help shed kilos if you consume it regularly. If you're looking to lose those extra kilos, you might be searching for the best ways to achieve it quickly. The first step you should remember is that it is a gradual process and no miracle here. It requires a commitment. But besides all the stringent diets and workout regimes that you might have come across in your quest, did you know that certain small changes in your daily routine can aid in weight loss? By having a balanced breakfast to keep yourself hydrated and adding healthy foods for good digestion, there are many such changes that can help you to shed kilos. Fennel seeds is an Indian spice that is most commonly used as a mouth freshener, besides being used in many delicious Indian dishes. It is one of the kitchen ingredients that we can barely do without, and that's not just for the flavor it lends, but also due to the many health benefits it comes with. Sweet, warm, and refreshing fennel seeds are known to aid weight loss as well. Fennel seeds are also a natural detoxifier, which further boosts metabolism, the rate at which our cells use the energy we gain from the foods. Accelerating metabolism leads to acceleration in the consumption of calories by our cell, increasing the fat burning process. The best way to consume fennel seeds is to infuse it water. Here is a fennel seeds and lime water recipe that you can try at home to consume it every morning. The ingredients you need for it are water 1 cup, half a lemon, half tablespoon of fennel seeds, half tablespoon honey. Boil fennel seeds in water. Let it set for 10 minutes after turning off the flame. Pour it in a glass, add some lemon and honey. Stir and drink warm. You may or may not strain the seeds. This is best when consumed empty stomach to aid metabolism and boost weight loss. It would be recommended that limiting the intake to 1 glass every day. The addition of vitamin C rich lemon may help you to improve fat oxidation process and burn excess calories in our body. Try this incredibly healthy drink for weight loss at home and share your experience in the comment section below. Thanks for watching our video and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.